Harbor Freight just released some new dollar days. It's going to be going until September 9th. So you do have a couple weeks to capture these deals, and I'll show you all the options they have available. And a good rule of thumb when it comes to dollar days is if you're not saving a minimum of 30%, then you could technically wait until a 30% off weekend whenever they'll do that next. But it might be a little while until they do, since they recently did a couple of them. But first up, I don't know what this is. It looks like they got some free items on a Yukon workbench here. And it's going to be free item weekend coming up here, starting tomorrow on Friday, August 28th, and running through August 30th. It's going to be free with any purchase for ITC members. You get your selection of these items. And non-members, you have to spend a minimum of $35 in order to get a free gift. Now, the first option will probably be the most popular option. That's going to be on the Icon 10mm 4-piece socket set. It has both the deep and shallow sockets in the 1/4 inch and 3/8 drive. They offered this before as a free item weekend gift, and it might be a good time to get one as long as your store has them in stock, and as long as they have not disappeared from your store. Oh crap, they're already gone. Well, that leaves the next options of the Warrior titanium step drill bits. It's going to be the 3-piece set of them. It ranges from size 1/8 of an inch all the way up to 3/4 of an inch. This is a different set than what they normally include as a free gift. This one you're able to drill into steel, copper, brass, aluminum, and plastic. And this retails at $13.99 that you'll be getting for free. Then the other two options is going to be the Grant's shop towels in either the red or the white. It's a 50-pack of them. These retail at $14.99. So surprisingly, this is going to be the best bang for the buck that you're going to get for free. But I imagine the step drill bits and the Icon sockets, if you can grab them, will probably be the more popular options to go for. Again, it's this weekend, Friday through Sunday, with any purchase for ITC members and $35 minimum purchase for non-members. Okay, the first option for the dollar days deal is going to be on this Gordon scissors, the multi-purpose ones. And I recommend passing on these anyways. The normal retail price is $1.29. And you will be able to pick them up for $1. But again, I would pass on these scissors. They're not very good. And you can take a look at the reviews, and they'll mention that as well. They break easily, and they're not the sharpest scissors, that's for sure. And they have decent savings on the Storehouse brand of the 18-piece portable parts storage case. So it has 18 compartments to it. You can store different nuts and bolts, screws, whatever, small pieces. Made of durable PVC construction. Here's maybe a little bit better look on the other side. So this retails at $2.99. And you'll be able to pick it up for $2. That's saving 33% on it. And they have pretty good savings on this chip brush. It's rugged construction, all natural bristles. It's a 4-inch one, so you can do some major chipping with it. The retail price is $1.69, and you'll be able to pick it up for $1, saving 40% on that. That's a pretty good deal. And you could go for something like this where you're saving 40% and then get the free item during this weekend. And they don't have the best savings on this 6-piece detail brush set as a steel bristle, brass, and nylon. So you can do different types of cleaning with it in the 6 different brushes that it offers. This does retail at $2.99. And you'll be able to save 99 cents on that, pick it up for $2. That's saving only 19%. And there's a Hallmaster deal on this zinc plated finish of the quick links in the 5/16 size. So you're able to either shorten up some chains or do different tasks with these. It's a pack of 3 that retails at $4.99. And you'll be able to pick those up for $3, and that's saving 39%. So it is a good deal on them. Another Hallmaster deal is on the assorted length of the bungee cords that they have. That includes 4 of the 10-inch ones, 4 of the 18-inch longs, 2 of the 24, and 2 of the 36-inch long ones. So this is like their bigger assortment that they offer versus these smaller ones that they have. So this pack here retails at $6.99, and you'll be able to pick them up for $5, and that's saving 28% on those. So it is a decent deal. And another Hallmaster item is on the 1-inch by 14 feet of ratcheting tie down. It is just one, has a 500-pound working load and 1,500-pound braking strength. And here's a look at the back of the package. So this one does retail at $3.99, and you'll be able to pick it up for $3, and that's saving 24%. If you're enjoying this video so far, I really appreciate you give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this. And if you're on a mobile device, be sure to hype the video, help spread the word for other deal enthusiasts. Now, let's go to the next deal. And they brought back a great deal on the Grant's Dirt Guard bucket insert. This would go perfect in a free Harbor Freight bucket. So it's a dirt guard. While you're washing your vehicle, it helps trap the dirt at the bottom of the bucket. It sits on the bottom part like that. The dirt falls in down below that area, so you don't pick up more dirt and wash it on your vehicle. So this retails at $7.99, and you'd be able to pick it up for $5, and that's saving 37% on that. That's an excellent deal. And they have another Grants item on a deal on the Ultra Plush chenille microfiber wash mitt that retails at $6.99. And how about picking that up for only $4? That's saving 42% on that. That's an excellent deal on that as well. And to make it even more excellent, go during this weekend, if you're ITC member, buy this and get a free item that's $10 to $15 worth for free. Another storehouse item is on the 14 to 16 gauge watertight heat shrink butt connectors. I swear the names that Harbor Freight comes up with on these items is something else. So these do retail at $3.99, and you'll be able to pick them up for $2. That's saving 49%. So it is an excellent deal. Now get into some air compressor accessories. They have this Merlin air blow gun kit with 1 foot and 2 foot extensions that's rated for up to 150 max PSI on the one with the rubber tip. And the OSHA safety tip is 90 PSI. Here's a look at the tips that it includes. And then the blowgun section itself. So this one retails at $8.99, and you'll be able to save 22% on that. Pick it up for $7. And if you're in need of some air tool oil, they have this by Merlin. It's a 16-ounce bottle of it. This one does retail at $5.99, and you'll be able to pick it up for $5. That's saving 16%. Not the best savings, but still okay savings. And they have pretty good savings on this Merlin 3/8 inch by 15 foot rubber air hose. It's rated up to a 300 max PSI. Retail price is $11.99, and you'll be able to pick that up for $8, and that's saving 33%. That is a decent deal. And we got a Pittsburgh ratchet deal on the 3/8 drive of the quick release ratchet. So it has a quick release button right there. I don't know if you can hear it. So this offers a lifetime warranty on it. It is a nice short ratchet for a 3/8 drive one. This one retails at $11.99, and you'll be able to pick that up for $9, and that's saving 24% on that. So not a bad deal. And another Pittsburgh item for you. This one's going to be on the 2-pound neon orange dead blow hammer. This is a nice size dead blow hammer to have on hand, and it's nice and compact. And this one retails at $9.99, and you can pick it up for $6, and that's saving 39%. That is an excellent deal on it. And don't forget, it also has the lifetime warranty on them. I've actually seen people return dead blows to the store, so they do honor the warranty on them. And the next Pittsburgh option is on this telescoping mirror. So the mirror flexes and swivels to get the best angle. It's made of stainless steel shaft with the pocket clip. The retail price on that one is $3.99, and you'll be able to save 99 cents on that. Pick it up for $3, and that's saving 24% on it. And they have pretty good savings on this Luminar Everyday 100 lumen swivel headlamp. It is an LED one. It offers a runtime up to 9 hours. It has easy on-off buttons, and it's water resistant for outdoor use. The retail price on that one is $3.99, and you'll be able to pick it up for $2, and that's saving 49% on that. So that is a good deal. Now this next coupon, you have your option of either the 100-piece 4-inch white cable ties or the 5-inch black ones. They each retail at $1.99, and you'll be able to pick them up for $1 each. And that's saving 49% on them. And it's going to be a limit of 4, just like all the other coupons are. And they even have a clamp deal on this Pittsburgh 3-inch C-clamp. And it's not as good of a deal that you could have just recently got on it during the parking lot sale of 40% off. But this does retail at $3.99, and you'll be able to pick it up for $3. That's saving 24% on it. So again, not the best savings compared to that 40% that we just had on it. And they have a deal on the different MIG welding contact tips by Vulcan. It's a 10-pack of them. They have them available in this .025, also .030, and .035. So you have 3 different options there. They're currently on an ITC deal, 25% off, which today is the last day for the ITC deals, which is Thursday here, the 27th. So they retail at $9.99 each, and you'll be able to pick them up for $8. And that's saving only 19%. So you would have been better off going for it during the ITC deals if you're an ITC member. We've seen this next deal in the past on the impact resistant safety glasses because I recognize that guy with that awesome stash. The retail price is $2.99, and you'll be able to pick them up for $2, and that's saving 33% on it. Another good deal. And they have a combined coupon deal on the Storehouse brand of the ATM mini blade fuse set 60 pieces. It lists out 10 pieces of all these different amps, and also they have the standard blade fuse assortment included under the same deal. They each retail for $9.99, and you'll be able to pick those up for $6 each. And again, it's limited of 4, and that's saving 39%, so it's an excellent deal. And the last couple deals I could not find here in the store. The one is the tack cloth. I don't know what it retails at. It looks like $1.49. You can pick it up for $1, saving 32%. So again, they don't have it at my store. And the next item, they are out of stock at my store, is on the Niagara 32-ounce professional spray bottles. The 2-pack of them, you can pick them up for $4. Normal retail price is $4.99. That's saving 19%. Now, I've seen some bad reviews on these spray bottles. I have heard from some of you guys that they are decent, but also heard on the other side too that they're not good. So it might not be a good pickup anyways. Especially if you look at the coupon, they don't even have the review stars listed on the coupon, whereas all the other products have the review stars on them. So that might be a sign. Don't get them. It will be a pass. All right, that's going to be it for the Dollar Days deals. You have until September 9th to capture these deals. And don't forget the free item weekend this coming weekend. And you could use some of those Dollar Days coupons and get a free item. It makes the deal even better. If you did get any value from this video, I really appreciate you give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing for more tool deal videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Crasher out.